Hey there, in this quick video I'll show you how to set the iPhone camera's timer, giving you a little bit of time to get in position. We can have 10 seconds, 5 seconds or 3 seconds worth of timer. So what we do is make sure we are on photo, then in the top right corner we have 6 small dots, press those, we go into settings so to speak. Now we go to timer. And here we have the options 10 seconds, 5 seconds and 3 seconds. As you can see, it conveniently places a 10 on your screen so you know how many seconds you have, and it's also useful once you've done your timer photographs, it reminds you that you still have the timer on and to switch it off. But let's just test this by taking a countdown from 10 to 0 and make sure this takes a photograph as expected. And there you see it. The photograph has been taken. So to reverse this, having taken your timed photograph, just go to the 6 dots again, go back to timer. We have 5 seconds, 3 seconds and off. I'll select off. Now when I take a photograph, it takes it as normal. So I hope you found that useful. Give it a thumbs up if you have. Let me know in the comments how you're going to use your timer, and I'll catch you on the next one.